Question 13 is about how the increase of combustion of fossil fuel contributes significantly in global warming. So how combustion of fossil fuel makes global warming enhance it. So unluckily, it has nothing to do with the topic. Let's just talk about what is the greenhouse effect, enhanced greenhouse effect. So remember atmosphere, the earth, okay? When the sunlight goes inside, it is a short wavelength and it can pass through all the gases, even the greenhouse gases. When the earth absorbs the energy and we emit the energy, want to release the energy, it emits the long wavelength, the infrared radiation. And this radiation is being absorbed by the greenhouse gases and trapped inside. So global warming is made by here. So look at the option A to D. Which one is the answer? Think about it. Got it? Yes, the answer is D. The products of combustion, the greenhouse gases absorb long wave radiation and trap the heat. Thank you.